Welcome to this overview of a unique business opportunity for accountants and CFOs. My name is Tony Melvin and I'm the co-founder of Afficient. And Afficient has been in development as a business for 8 years, and thankfully with the latest developments in information technology and cloud-based systems, it's now possible to provide the service I've longed to provide from an accounting firm. Now let's take a look at the summary of benefits of what it means to be an Afficient licensee. You can work from anywhere, and you only need 10 to 20 clients in order to have a fee base of around $500,000. Now of that fee base, you receive 40% as the Afficient licensee. You have no staff costs, no leasing of premises. It's a paperless office system, and you can offer a proactive service to your clients, and you help your clients achieve their financial goals. And you get to benefit from the right to deliver an expanding range of services as we grow Afficient. Now let's take a look then at a typical accounting firm, and that way we'll be able to see how Afficient and the business model is very different. In most typical firms, the owner, the accountant, is often overburdened with compliance work. They tend to waste time transferring data from one system to another, from whatever system the client has into their own system, and they waste time fixing bookkeeping errors and mistakes made by the client's bookkeepers. And the majority of work is condensed into a few months of the year, so it can be a very stressful period, lots of overwork, and ultimately that's where a majority of the cash flow flows in as well for a business. And they often deal with lots of clients with low average value, so less than $5,000 a year, therefore you need probably 100 clients to get over your $500,000 income. And usually they need an office and staff and all these other things. And this makes it very hard to offer a proactive or dedicated service for clients. And one of the reasons for this is the way the typical accounting process works. Here we have an example business owner who's very busy running around doing what they do. They have to hire a bookkeeper, and they often have to hire an accountant. And they need to buy software, and so they're constantly liaising with the bookkeeper and entering information in the software or trying to get reports out of it. And then the bookkeeper's entering into the software as well. And at the end of the financial year, the accountant is given the financials, the electronic shoebox we like to call it sometimes. And in order to understand what's happening, the accountant often has to go back to the owner and get clarification on certain information and go back to the bookkeeper. And you have this back and forth process that gets very confusing, very time consuming for everyone involved, and ultimately wastes a lot of money. Compare that to the Efficient business model, where the business owner is busy doing what they usually do. They get to liaise with the Efficient advisor, or the accountant, directly. Now the accountant has a bookkeeper assigned to them, and they also have access to the cloud-based system. So the bookkeeper enters information into the cloud-based accounting software and other systems, and the accountant oversees this and makes sure it's done correctly on a regular basis. All of the information is connected to banks, so bank statement details are automatically sent to the cloud-based systems, eliminating data entry. And this whole process is able to happen on a daily basis, ensuring that all of the accounts and financials are kept up to date. More importantly though, this all happens in the background. The business owner doesn't even need to know the bookkeeper or even talk to the bookkeeper, and they don't even need access to the cloud-based systems. Although they can, they certainly don't need to. And our accountants then only need to deal with up to 20 clients, and therefore are able to offer a very proactive service because they can focus on advising the client of ways to improve their business or save money or help them achieve their business goals, with all of this data entry and financial information being entered into the system in the background. Let's look at then the concept of the Efficient service, and that is we're offering a full bookkeeping service. We offer full integration of a paperless office, so all receipts and paperwork for our clients can simply be sent to us electronically, and they can throw them away so they don't need to keep their filing cabinets. It's a full cloud-based system. Therefore, all information is accessible anywhere by both the client and the accountant. Real-time accounting, where bank reconciliation occurs on a daily basis, providing accurate reports for the business owners so they can make informed decisions, knowing exactly where their business is at. And we have a core focus on streamlined systems. So we extend our service beyond just accounting to be able to provide efficiencies within a business that eliminate data entry and make it much easier for the owner to run their business, know exactly what's going on, and know that all the data is stored in one place and is accurate. These online systems then allow us to provide a proactive service. If we assume this is the financial year, normally bookkeeping occurs throughout the year and the tax work is done at the end of the financial year. With the efficient business model, bookkeeping and tax planning are done simultaneously, with the bookkeeper entering information and the accountant ensuring it's done correctly. At the end of the financial year, all of the work is done. It's simply a matter of submitting the tax returns. Let's compare then what Afficient does and what you do as the Efficient advisor. So our role and your focus. Our role is invoicing and collections. So you don't have to worry about getting credit card facilities or anything like that. We handle all of the invoicing and collections from our clients. Back office administration is also handled by us, providing you with bookkeepers and other administrative support. We create and maintain all online systems, and we provide all marketing and sales, acquiring the clients that you desire in order for you to achieve your fee base. Your focus is you can help the client become more viable and solvent, and you help keep the client's financials up to date. By taking care of all of the other functions of running a business, you're able to really offer this proactive service and therefore enhance the service that you give your clients and ultimately provide more and more services as your clients become more successful. Our core focus in Efficient is we want solvent and viable business owners and staff achieving their financial goals. Now, how does the actual business model work? Let's first compare a territory-based model. Most franchises and licensed type businesses utilize the territory-based system. So if this box here represents your country or state, what tends to happen in a territory-based model is it gets split up into different territories. And as a licensee or a franchise, you have your own territory. The only problem is with the Efficient business model is it's very hard to calculate exactly how much income you can make out of a particular area. The territory-based system also has two major restrictions. One is you could end up with a territory that's too small and you're not able to achieve your desired income level. Or on the other side, you could end up with a territory that's too large and you're not able to service all of the clients that come from that area. So rather than go for a territory-based model, we've come up with a unique idea that is based on fee base. So let's assume here the total fee base that you desire is $500,000 per year. This would require 10 to 20 clients, ranging from clients who pay $25,000 a year to clients that pay $50,000. And we already have several clients that are over the $50,000 mark. Now as a licensee then, what you receive is $200,000. So you receive 40% of that. Let's say you want a smaller fee base. Then it's possible to go only $400,000 fee base and make $160,000 per year. Alternatively, you may want to grow your fee base to $800,000 a year, and therefore the Efficient advisor's share would be $320,000. With the fee-based system, your clients can come from anywhere around Australia. If you like to travel, we can have clients in different states. However, every client we bring on board, you do have a choice of whether or not you want to accept that client. But with the fee-based system, there is no limit to your expansion, and there's no limit to the expansion of Efficient as a whole. So what is the investment then for the Efficient licensed business opportunity? There are actually two investments you make. One is in your training fee, it's $50,000, and this includes initial and ongoing training in all systems, procedures, and business troubleshooting techniques. So we teach you not only how to utilize the systems that we have, but also how to become a really good business troubleshooter in order to help your clients become more efficient and achieve our goal of making them more solvent and more viable. Your second investment is in your license fee. And the license fee provides you with the right to use the systems and deliver the services under the Efficient brand. It is an asset that will grow in value as your business grows. And it's an asset that can be sold. Now, the license fee depends on how much income you want to earn. So we have an income and fee ratio of 1:1. For example, if your desired income is $200,000 per year, then your license fee would be $200,000. The recruitment of Efficient advisors is done in different phases. For more details on the next recruitment phase, see below. However, no matter when you join Efficient, these are the steps you go through in order to find out more about the licensee business opportunity. Complete the expressions of interest form. The next step is you complete the profiling, which is a series of online evaluations that provide us with information as to your suitability to that role of an Afficient advisor. Once the profiling is complete, you then sign the non-disclosure agreement and you enter into the due diligence process where you get to review all our legal documentation and you get a taste of our systems and processes. All going well and you decide you want to go ahead with the Afficient business opportunity, we then do a face-to-face acceptance interview. And you then pay and attend the initial training if accepted. And of course, at any time during this process, you're most welcome to call us or meet with us to talk more about this opportunity. So there you have it. That's the overview of the unique business opportunity for accountants and CFOs. And I look forward to talking with you more if you decide to pursue this. Thanks for watching.